After creating over 300 Elementor tutorials, these are the 15 trending scroll animations using Elementor, GSAP, and some custom code I've written myself. We have different types of designs and effects today, and yes, we will use some custom code to create them, but don't worry, you can get all the code for free in the description below, and the tutorials for each design will also be linked above in case you need it. Alright, let's begin. First up, we have a cool one. Do you see this image in the background? Right now, it's small and tilted, but as I keep scrolling, it zooms in, straightens up, and finally reveals in full view. It's a super clean and modern zoom that reveal effect using GSAP and Elementor. Now, this is a simple design, but you can use this effect in different ways, like this website here, or this one here. So this effect can really add some X factor to your site. But before that, whenever I do some design work for clients, I make sure to add this free plugin called Airlift because, okay, let me show you this actually. So that's my speed before and that's after. It does a lot of optimizations automatically and keeps things fast. So you should definitely try this and I'll leave a link in the description below. So this is my favorite one. This is my website, and as you can see, this burger deconstructs and reconstructs as you scroll, adding an exciting and interactive visual effect. I'm showcasing this deconstruct and reconstruct with a burger, but you can customize it to anything you want. Now this requires some custom JS snippet that I have created and left below for you all to try out. Okay, let me surprise you a little. So this is my website, and as I scroll down, it behaves like any other website, smooth and simple. But here's the fun part. When I reach the section and scroll down, the page switches to a horizontal scroll, allowing me to explore different travel destinations. And as I reach the end of the section, it transitions back to vertical scrolling. In this example, we have multiple amazing travel destinations, each represented by a video, but you can easily also display images, text, or even buttons like this. So basically, you have both vertical and horizontal scrolling on the same site, and it can be used in creative ways like, look at this website. As I scroll, look how premium that feels. The whole website feels so unique because of just the way it scrolls and obviously because of picking the right assets. This next one actually went viral. On this site, when I scroll down, the video plays smoothly. And when I scroll up, the video plays in reverse, giving me complete control over playback speed and direction by just scrolling. And this is so engaging. You might have actually seen this on other sites too. Like on the official Volvo website, we have Van Damme doing an insane split, and you can play with this. So yes, you can be really creative with this GSAP trick. Now look at this cool restaurant menu design that spins from right to left with all the menu items in it. This is an image carousel effect that works only when you scroll through the site. And I have used KFC to showcase this carousel because who doesn't like some good deep fried chicken? Alright, so once I've scrolled through the entire restaurant menu, I'll reach the footer of my site, and once I scroll back up, the carousel reverses like this. You can even set custom links to all the images, so if someone clicks on them, they'll be taken to a different page for the item. Don't worry, this isn't all you can use the carousel for. You can create a design like this. As you can see, this design has buttons in the carousel, and it also works with headings, videos, and more. Now one simple but very effective GSAP hover effect is where you have hover over this link, the image changes with the corresponding menu items, and you can add a different image for each one. Also, if you click on this link, you'll be redirected to the respective page like this. Alright, look at this horizontal slider with this 3D effect. When I hover over this image, it moves smoothly. But that's not all. If I click on the right side of the section, it scrolls smoothly, and you can add different images and text to each slide. You can even add as many slides as you want. So this is my recent favorite. What you're seeing is a split screen slider that displays two different types of content side by side. As I scroll down and click the buttons, the slider transitions smoothly with a clean fade-in effect. Now in my design on the left, I have showcased my product page, while the right features a product description and a working add to cart button. When I slide the button, it takes me directly to the checkout page ready for payment. Cool, right? Next on this website, as I scroll up, you'll notice this image here isn't moving. Instead, it's getting covered smoothly by the second container. Then, as I keep scrolling, the third container reveals and the second one moves up. Basically, I've got 5 containers on this page. The first, third and the fifth containers look like they're staying still because of the masking effect, but they're actually moving. It just doesn't feel like it. And then the second and the fourth containers are scrolling up and down like a normal page. When you combine these two effects, you get a really cool masking and unmasking animation. This smooth effect is trending a lot these days, and yes, I've made it responsive as well. All the code is pasted below for you. Next is a classic. As I scroll on this website, the containers stack on each other like this, and when I scroll back up, the cards are unstacking like this. So this is a popular design called stacking containers on scroll, and you can also make designs like this as well. Now Apple's website uses this animation quite a lot. Basically, you can scroll to expand an image and it feels like you're going inside it, but it can also highlight the product like they have done here. Super cool, right? I really like this one. So we are in this browser, and if you load this site, you will see this cool preloader animation, or this one, or a smooth progress bar and countdown meter. All of this just using GSAP, and it can be customized fully into so many designs. Have personally written the code for these designs, and yeah, it has 0 bugs. One simple and classic effect is this text animation, where you can scroll down and the text is highlighted, and when you scroll up, the highlight disappears. Cool, right? Looks premium as well, really easy to execute too. Now look at this cool hero experience on scroll. It really catches your eye, right? Plus you can customize it like this. This is a good way to hook your visitors' attention, and yes, I'll leave all the code for this below. Another cool effect is when I scroll down the site, some sections are expanding like this, while others are shrinking. So basically, this is happening on scroll and makes your website look very alive and eye-catching. Plus, it helps highlight certain information to catch more attention. If you have any questions, comment them down below and I'll be happy to help you. Click here if you want to 3x your site speed in just 1 minute. Trust me, you're gonna love it. Click here and I'll see you there.